on.
Let's take it back just a second. So he has the new Rogue deep dishes in there, which look absolutely gorgeous. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Garage Gym Gainz. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ricky, and this is where we talk about pretty much anything that's home gym related. So that could be equipment reviews, comparison videos, pretty much anything I can come up with. And lately, we've been doing garage gym tour reactions, and that's what we've got today. We're checking out Aaron's apartment basement storage unit. You'll see what I mean. I haven't watched it yet. I just skimmed the very beginning to check the quality. But this is his gym before he moved into his new house. Aaron, I'm looking forward to seeing what your new setup's like. I've seen a little bit of it on Instagram, and I'm very excited. But anyways, it's late in the night, and we're gonna get right into it. Check out his previous setup. That way we have something to compare it to down the road. And that means I need to plug in my headphones so that you guys can hear and the audio's not terrible. So here we go. All right, I got the headphones on. That was a false alarm earlier. Now we're getting into it.
So I'm recording this video for Garage Gym Gainz, so he can go and do a review of my gym. I'll do a quick walkthrough, but it's gonna be quick because it's a small gym. So I am in a 500 square foot apartment that also offers a storage unit. So when COVID hit here,
First off, very cool to have a storage unit in the basement of your apartment. That's a nice touch.
Checked out our little storage unit. Got a lock on it and an alarm. We can hear it from upstairs if the alarm goes off. But we needed to continue powerlifting. I had a meet upcoming, so we made it happen. Initially, I had bought a set of gap plates from Academy. I was like right on top of it. I knew the gyms were shutting down here in Kansas City, so I got to Academy and beat everyone out.
You also beat me out. I managed gym, so I wasn't in that big of a hurry. I knew I was still going to be able to train. I was fortunate in that sense, but I started thinking, hey, maybe I'd like to have a garage gym. Yes, I did start very recently, and I went to Academy, which is like a Dick's Sporting Goods. I don't know if they're nationwide or if they're local or what, but either way, go to Academy and they have absolutely nothing. Not a thing. Like not a single thing. It was insane. Aaron must have bought it all up. We probably went to the same one.
Before they could buy it. And I have since upgraded all of my big plates, 25, 45, and 100s, up to the Rogue deep dish. And I've got that on a Rogue tree here in the back. Also, I am hanging a deadlift jack on this.
Let's take it back just a second. So he has the new Rogue deep dishes in there, which look absolutely gorgeous.
Up to the Rogue deep dish.
I've seen Coop do a review on them. They look fantastic. I need to come check them out sometime. I like the 100-pound plates. Just saves you a little bit of time, even if they're a pain to put on there. I like the color. They're on, is that a Rogue tree? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what type of tree that is, but it looks like it's holding them quite well.
And I've got that on a Rogue tree here in the back.
Oh, it is a Rogue tree. I just didn't hear that the first time.
Also, I am hanging a deadlift jack on some bike hooks up there, and I take that down and deadlift on this 8x2 section out here. I've also got some bumpers I picked up over the last year that my wife uses more than I do. A few other things to note. Ohio Power Bar and Cerakote. You can really tell on here that the gap plates, because they were so uneven on the inside, ate up the colors really bad. So that makes me sad when I look at it.
Here's a quick reminder. Not all weight is equal. Some weight is better. The tolerances are better. The weight is going to be more accurate, and it's not going to mess up your bars.
Up here, I've got 2 additional bars. This is the gap bar that I initially got from Academy that I used for just like a week before
I was not expecting these 2 extra bars up there. That is awesome.
Went and bought the Ohio Power Bar before they sold out. Then I've got a Boneyard deadlift bar from Rogue.
Very nice.
It served me pretty well, but as you can tell, this space is very crammed. This is what I would say just over probably 7 feet by 10 feet in here, but we've made it work for nearly a year now from COVID.
Dang.
Oh, I guess another thing to note is I've got this rep bench. Oh, and I didn't even talk about the power rack. So the power rack is, the Fitness Reality 810 XLT, something like that. It was like $250 on Amazon. Good enough, although it is really wobbly. I've since fixed that by bolting it into the wood of my platform here, so I can rack it pretty hard with a squat or a bench, and it doesn't move that much. If you end up getting you can make do with a really cheap rack as long as you've bolted it down or found a way to weigh it down with maybe some plates. That's about it for me. Hopefully this video is usable, and you can review my very, very small gym, and I'll have a better video for you here when we move into the new place.
Aaron, first and foremost, thank you for sending that over. You sent it a while ago, and I'm just now getting to it, so I apologize, but very cool gym, especially considering the space. You've got quite a bit of stuff in there, and you actually have some pretty nice stuff too. The Rogue deep dish plates are absolutely stunning. You've got the Ohio Power Bar in there and that Cerakote finish. Unfortunately, those cheap plates kind of ate up some of it, but you've since replaced those. Got the Rogue Ohio deadlift bar up there. I was not expecting to see those at all, mostly because I didn't see it when we first went in there. I didn't even think, hey, they're on the ceiling. That's awesome. I'm really looking forward to see what you do with more space once you move into your house. Hopefully that has all gone well. I'd assume you've moved in there already. Well, actually, I'm about 80% sure. I think that was your Instagram, or I think that was your house that you were in the Instagram that I just looked at just a moment ago. And it looks like the setup is already growing. So we look forward to the updated version. Let us know down below how that's coming. And then you, the viewer, if you have a home gym that you want me to check out, just record a video with your phone horizontally or with a camera, and then upload it to YouTube and send me the link. That's the easiest way to do it. And then include any important information that might help me out. But until next time, I'm probably gonna go to bed because it's late. It's like almost midnight, I think. And yeah, I just don't really need to be up anymore. I still have these headphones on. We might still have some Garage Gym Gainz logo banners available on the website. You'll have to check. I'm recording this in advance, so I can't say for sure. But, oh, that's what I was looking for. I always think it's gonna tip over. Oh, yeah. That's about all I got. Definitely check that out. Check out the website. I was gonna do blogs for a while and I've kind of fallen off on that, but it does have the merch on there, so that's cool.